To make it easier for people around the world to buy from you, use business policies to add international postage costs to your listings. Here's how to set it up. Start by hovering over your username. Click on Account Settings, select Business Policies. Then find the policy that you want to add international postage costs to. You'll need to repeat this process for each postage policy you want to edit, so we suggest starting with the ones which are used by the most listings. Click Edit. Go to the International Postage section. Select Flat, Same Cost to all buyers. Choose Custom Location or Worldwide. Select the countries or region that you want to post to. Choose a postage service. In this example, we'll select Royal Mail International Standard. Add a postage cost per item. You can also charge a different amount for additional items if you combine postage. Let's say you want to charge a different amount for posting to another region. You can do that here by clicking Offer Additional Service. Choose Custom Location or Worldwide. Select the location that you want to post to at a different cost. Choose the postage service. Add a postage cost. You can also use this method to use different postal services to the same region. If there are any postage locations you want to exclude, you can update your policy here. Click Show All Countries to expand the list of countries within a region. Then you can select any individual countries within that region that you don't want to post to. Click Apply. Click Save. Click Confirm to save your changes and apply international postage costs to all listings using this policy. And that's it! If you want to check how the postage costs are displayed on your listings, let's have a look. Go to an active listing which uses this policy. Scroll down to Description and click on Postage and Payments. Click Change Country. And now you should see a list of countries in the menu. Select one of the countries and then click Get Rates in order to see the postage costs displayed to buyers in that country. You now have international postage costs on your listings. If you found this video useful, make sure you like it, comment, and check out our other videos. Click the subscribe button to follow us on YouTube.